Hello everybody. Today I am going to explain the trim entities of SolidWorks. So let's begin. The trim entities of SolidWorks is here, and to explain this one, let's begin. Let's start. Let's draw a rectangle at first. So this is a rectangle. Okay. Now I'm selecting line. So I'm selecting. I'm just drawing some lines. And you already know that how to draw lines. Okay, so let's explain this one. So this is the rectangle, and from this rectangle I want to remove these lines, the lines we are beyond the lines we are those who are outside the rectangle. So I'm going to erase this one. So to do this one, I'm just selecting trim entities and just select this line. So I have just removed the outer parts. So if I want to remove these inner parts, I also can select this one and I can cut these things. So I can also cut this one. Okay, so this is how the trim entities works. Thank you.